So it's important that we understand what the panic attacks are and then treat it accordingly. And according to our Sattva Yoga practices, panic attacks, we deal it at different level. So at the level of, again, the gut brain, we are trying to strengthen the gut brain. So the practices like Bhastrika or Agnisar are helpful. And at the level of our brain in the skull, it's important that our receptors in the brain, they get used to high level of carbon dioxide. So what happens is when you do have a panic attack, there is rapid and shallow breathing. And so the person breathes very fast, but the breathing is very shallow. So they're not getting enough oxygen in, or they wash out too much of the carbon dioxide from their system. So we have to get the brain receptor used to high levels of carbon dioxide without triggering any anxiety.